Hello everyone, welcome to my Audio Expos YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review this portable Bluetooth speaker from Anker brand. This is Soundcore Pyro Mini Bluetooth speaker. Let's start the video.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing.
After this sound test, I have to say my opinion. This Soundcore Pyro Mini Bluetooth speaker has dynamic light system, but sound quality is below than average. Bass is not good, mid and high are average, so I can't recommend this speaker for those guys who love bass. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.